Good morning, I'm RJ Baxter, your out-of-the-box lender with your Saturday strategy. This week, I have got an awesome strategy for you if you are teaching consumer-focused classes. I'm talking about first-time homebuyer classes, investor classes, house hacking classes, whatever it is. This is a strategy to pack the house with consumers wanting to consume your content, to attend your class, and eventually become clients, because that's the goal, right? I mean, personally, I'm sick of classes where there's only 2 or 3 people there, or I'm talking to the wall, there's no one at the class. So here's the strategy. Basically, it's involving your business partnerships in your class. And I'm not talking about just sponsoring the class and helping to pay for the meal or whatever it is. I'm talking about, let's say for the investor class, inviting your CPA, your financial planner, invite your contractors that might fix up the property, invite your property manager, your insurance agent, your lender, invite all these other business partners that you have to attend the class with you. And the key is they're all responsible for inviting their database as well. So if every business partner that you invite to the class has 2 or 3 couples at your class, that's potentially 15 or 20 couples at your class. You're gonna pack the house with people that want to learn about the topic that you're teaching. So I hope that helps you out. Try it out, it definitely works. I learned this strategy from a fellow mortgage industry professional that used to do this as a steak dinner, where he would buy a steak dinner for everyone, teach his class, and he would involve all of his business partners in different areas, and they would literally pack the house with people that were there and excited to learn the content and potentially become clients. And if you come across anyone this weekend that needs help with a pre-approval, or if you have any questions lending related, definitely reach out. That's why I'm here. We're always watching. And you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks a lot.